Every restaurant owner knows that there are some days during the week where sales slow down and the restaurant is, dare I say, empty. After working with thousands of restaurant customers, our data shows that Mondays, Tuesdays, and then followed by Wednesdays are in fact the slowest days in sales across all kinds of restaurant types. But it doesn't have to be that way. There are many of our restaurant clients who see this as a huge opportunity to turn the slow days into strong sales days by using some very specific restaurant marketing strategies. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's dive into the top 7 best strategies to increase your sales on your slow days. Marketing strategy number 1. Start promoting a direct catering menu of your food. We all know that catering can be a powerful sales driver for any restaurant. In fact, the numbers actually show that it's not just a sales driver, but that the food sold from catering orders is actually twice as profitable than food sold in single orders. Why? Well, catering saves a ton of costs in labor because preparing a bulk order is significantly easier and less time intensive than preparing individual orders one by one. It can be especially powerful on your slow days because 65% of all catering orders are business corporate catering orders. So what makes this really cool is that the busiest days for businesses who order catering is actually Monday and Tuesday. So guess what? This actually coincides with your restaurant's slow days. So how can you promote your catering business and drive sales on these slow days? Well, you've got option 1. You can either rely on GrabFood or Foodpanda, which is unfortunately what most restaurants do, and they end up giving away all their profits because the commissions are estimated to be up to 30%. Plus, they don't even give you any of the customer data. Or option number 2, you can master how to promote your own direct catering business from your website. Thousands of our restaurant clients are great examples of this. Here's how to 5x your online sales with a direct catering menu. Now, this strategy has 2 parts to it. Part number 1 is by leveraging technology, and part number 2 is by executing on simple marketing tactics. So let's start with the technology side. Our best performing restaurant clients build a really strong online catering system on their actual website. And this enables people to order directly from them. It includes features like the ability to order family-sized dishes or pans for different size groups. So you can actually order based on group sizes or head count, and then add automated delivery. So similar to GrabFood or Foodpanda, by integrating with third-party last-mile delivery providers, you can cover this. So offering the ability for businesses to order family-sized dishes by different size groups, and they can get their catering orders delivered automatically through your website. This is key to driving those orders directly to you instead of marketplaces. So on for part number 2. On the promotion side, here's how to promote your catering menu. What if you assigned all of your store managers to go to all local corporations in a 2-mile radius during these slow hours and offer secretaries who are often in charge of catering special deals? Let's face it, we all know that GrabFood and Foodpanda are going around bribing all the office managers of nearby companies with free samples or referral commission or whatever. So let's face it, why not just do something similar, but have the orders go directly to you? Go out and start offering all those office managers free samples and online promo codes. If it was my restaurant, I would go out and bring them food and drop off flyers with my website address and URL to get them to order directly from me and be my advocates of my brand to their employees and managers. And then I'd commit to them. If you log in and place the order directly with us on our website with your account, we'll give you loyalty points. So every time you order more food, you get to benefit. It's this combination where you have a really strong website and a really strong incentive for office managers to order directly from you. And this leads to great relationships being formed directly with customers around your business so that you can get them to order through your online ordering system every time. Now let's move on to marketing strategy number 2. Leverage search engine optimization, also known as SEO, to increase your sales on slow days. And this is where things get really interesting. What if you could set up strategically your best-selling dishes on your website to rank number 1 on Google? Imagine if customers typed into Google and they said best hummus in Eastwood City, or best chocolate croissants in Alabang, and or dozens of other similar terms, and thousands of potential customers find and see your brand and start ordering directly from you. Let's take a look at Hummus Us. And if you see, their business comes up at the top of Google search engine rankings. And this works really well because our client has created a systematic and profitable method that really makes it easier for businesses to place large orders directly from their website. All right, on to marketing strategy number 3. Create food promos tied to your slow days. A great example of this comes from our Mexican food clients who create promotions that run every Tuesday, and they call it, guess what? Taco Tuesday. And then on Taco Tuesdays, they offer a 20% off all taco dishes, especially during the specific slowest hours. So every Monday and every Tuesday, they start posting on their social media about this promo. And then they send email reminders specifically to customers in their area. And the messaging is really simple. Hey everybody, it's Taco Tuesday. Order online today only between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. and get 20% off. So basically what I've seen is customers who do this kind of Taco Tuesday promotion, they can increase their sales on slow days to at least an average of 75,000 pesos. And that's just from a small place. And don't worry, if you're not in the Mexican food business, not a problem. Here's some other great types of slow day promos that I've seen. For Mondays, here's a list of M food ideas like Mediterranean Mondays. And how about Merienda Monday? And then for Tuesdays, here's a list of T food ideas. I like Teriyaki Tuesday and of course, Tilapia Tuesday. And for Wednesdays, here's a list of W food ideas like Wok Wednesday, and hey, why not throw in a Whiskey Wednesday too? This marketing strategy works really well because A, it builds an association with that day of the week, which makes your restaurant stand out. And it entices new customers who've never tried your food before. And then B, this is also great because consumer behavior is what you're really driving. You're creating FOMO on a great deal for a very specific period of time. Now this brings us to the next way to increase sales on slow days. Marketing strategy number 4, email automation to promote your specials. Now let's face it, no restaurant owner has the time or staff to constantly be fiddling around with third-party software applications like MailChimp or Brevo or whatever. Trying to figure out what to say, which images to use, and who to send emails to can be a mess. The key is to automate everything so it runs on autopilot. Here's what Prosperna restaurant customers do. They have email automation set up for every Monday afternoon. It reminds people, hey, it's Mediterranean Monday. This, along with a fresh email showing off the dishes relevant to that day's special. What happens when someone clicks on it is this. The user is redirected to the Mediterranean Monday website landing page with the pre-selected food options with the tagline, "Get 20% off of all online website orders every Monday between 4 to 6 p.m. While this is great for the customer, This is huge for the restaurant business owner because you just gained a new customer by directing them specifically to you, not through Foodpanda, not through GrabFood, but by directly ordering through your website where the Mediterranean Monday deal is only exclusively available. And hey, you just also increase your profits by at least 10%. This simple automated reminder can increase sales by over 5x every Monday. And it happens like clockwork. The best part, it's 100% measurable. Because let's be real, people are just busy. They're gonna forget these things, so without a reminder, it's probably not gonna happen. This brings us to marketing strategy number 5, SMS text blasts. Here's how our top performing restaurant customers do it. They send bulk SMS text messages inside of Prosperna to send offers directly to their regular list of customers within 2 kilometers of their store location. Every week, they send out bulk SMS messages and in just a few clicks, offer free delivery for that specific day and for orders within a 2-kilometer radius only. That one simple message drives thousands of pesos in online sales, specifically on slow days, just like magic. Why does it work? Because the offer is only for a specific limited time and for a specific limited radius. This gives people a clear reason to order right now. And the people on their SMS list are already huge neighborhood fans and they're close by to the restaurant. And when their existing customers log into their Prosperna My account, our platform makes it super easy for reordering because all they have to do is click the Buy Again button. So that simple SMS reminder is all they need to drive sales on slow days. Now, to make sure that the promo is profitable, they'll either build in the delivery fee into the price, or they'll set a minimum order amount to qualify for the free delivery offer. Speaking of neighborhood customers nearby, here's restaurant marketing strategy number 6, influencer marketing to promote slow days. What if you could tap into a targeted local audience of foodies without paying for any ads? That's exactly what the opportunity is when working with social media influencers. Here's how the most successful food brands leverage social media influencers. By working with local food bloggers, micro-influencers, or personalities who resonate with their target customers, this is what they do. They create a collaboration agreement with an affiliate commission structure. And then they provide them with free samples or on-site food tasting events to help influencers create authentic content about your food. And then every time they publish content about your business, they insert this referral link into the comments. Plus, by using affiliate marketing software that integrates smoothly, of course, with your online ordering platform like Prosperna, you'll be able to give each influencer a unique tracking link that redirects their followers directly to your website and track referral traffic and purchases that came from that specific piece of content. Then automatically calculate commissions and the payouts and give them a referral dashboard to track their performance. What I love about this is that it's a great way to get both exposure and sales by having other people do the marketing for you, and it's all performance-based. Okay, Dennis, what's another good restaurant marketing strategy, but that will help me drive in-person sales? So yeah, that's fair. We covered a lot of digital strategies to fill those slow days. Next up, let's talk about some in-person restaurant marketing strategies that work just as well. Restaurant marketing strategy number 7. Create unique experiences like live music or masterclass events on these slow days. We have so many successful restaurant clients who built up huge followings every Monday, where these days are typically slower. So by hosting live music or masterclass events every Monday, they focus on bringing in local neighborhood customers to listen to local bands perform live, or local customers to come in and learn something new with a masterclass and with food that they enjoy. Customers actually love it. It gives them a unique, fun thing to do with a vibrant dining experience that they would love to post about on social media and Instagram because it's so fun and entertaining on a Monday night. Now, here's the best part. Some talented musicians will perform just for tips and the chance to use your dining room as their stage. So the cost is actually sometimes zero. It just takes a little creativity and some work on building partnerships with local musicians or experts who are looking to get exposure. It's actually a win-win. Everybody gets something. They get a stage and you get customers. Plus, you get to create a better atmosphere for your restaurant, which brings in more happy guests who want to promote you on social media. Now get this, when people walk by or they drive by, they hear the live music, they see a bunch of people in your restaurant from the street, and guess what? They just simply start coming in. Instantly, it makes the place look lively, even on a Monday night. And this curiosity drives new customers in by the dozen. To keep that momentum going, Prosperna customers will also do this. They'll post about it on their Facebook and Instagram. They'll send out automated emails every Sunday reminding people that the live music Mondays or other masterclass events, they're coming up. This could take a restaurant who might be making less than 5,000 pesos on a slow Monday, and they could possibly 3 to 5x their sales consistently. Just whether it's a small, medium, or large location, just by performing these marketing tactics. Now for the final idea, restaurant marketing strategy number 8, game nights like trivia. Now this might sound somewhat similar to live music nights, but these are both, really different. They serve very different purposes. Live music nights are great for families or friends who want to enjoy a lively atmosphere and of course taste some good food. Game nights like trivia, on the other hand, they're more social. They're designed for people in the community who actually want to meet others, they want to have fun, and of course, eat delicious food while doing it. So there you have it, 7 proven marketing strategies to turn slow days into high revenue days. So what did you think about today's episode? Prosper Nation, as you all know, we're just getting started and we're constantly searching for different ways and tips to help you and your business grow. If you found today's episode helpful, I'd be super grateful if you just leave us a like or subscribe to our channel. Or just tell us. If you've got any questions, leave us a message and my team and I will personally respond to all the questions from our community right here. I look forward to helping you. Have an amazing day, and let's continue to build a better Philippines powered by technology. Salamat po, and let's go Prosper Nation.